Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a product card with hover effects. So as you can see on my computer screen, so let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will create our HTML file. Now let's set our title and include our style.css file. Now we will create a div with class card, and inside our card we will have two divs. One will be the cover and second will be details. Now let's add product details in our detail div. Now let's start styling. So first of all we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box, and we will set our font family as well, which will be Poppins. Now let's write CSS for our body tag. Now we will write CSS for our div card. Our watch image is so big, so let's write CSS to make it smaller and check it. So let's make it a little bit bigger. So this looks good. Now let's add our background color as well. Now let's check. So it is looking good. Now let's center our content. Now let's add CSS for our details. Let's change our image and make it second image, so when we hover onto it the first image will show. So text is not aligned, so let's align our text. So now let's write CSS for our h3 element, product name and price as well. So our card height is too small, so let's increase its height and width as well and check again. So it is looking really good and our text is looking good as well. So now let's change our image because this image is going to be in our cover. So let's change it for our detail image. So this looks good. So now let's write CSS for our button and style it correctly. So now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking really good. So now let's make our cover. Now let's write CSS for our cover. So now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking really good. So now let's center it. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking really good. So now let's add a background and hover effect as well. So now let's check. So our background is displaying above our image. So let's make it towards backward. So now you can see it is looking really good. So now we need to move our cover towards left when we hover onto it. So let's add that animation and also rotate our background. So our card is moving from backward, so it should be moving from front. So let's change our rotation from 180 degree to minus 180 degree and also moving our details towards right side. So now let's check. So it is moving towards right, but it is not moving from front side. So let's change our rotation from 180 to -180. So let's check. So guys, this is our product card with CSS hover effects. So keep supporting me, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.